Ibahin ko.
Ako yung gown niya, yung pakapareho.
Parang sabi ni Oli, hindi daw niya bet.
Nino?
It's only as
Yung gown
fashion
ng Ben
stylist.
as a fashion
As a fashion
stylist.
stylist.
Why? I
Who is
am
your
a
basic
stylist
evening
too.
gown?
Ako sa
Thailand.
Thailand. Okay.
Also, napaka-nice din.
Ganda ng fit.
The hair.
Coming from stylist. So.
The hair is perfect. The makeup, the gown, fit.
I
My
love
only
Gina. I
my
love
only
Gina.
problem with Thailand is the pasarela. Hindi masyadong pulido. Medyo parang natutumba siya ng
Come
body
to
art.
think of it.
Pero-
Wait, Antonia Porcel, she was even first runner-up with the
Yeah.
shitty walk.
No, I wouldn't agree.
It's so
Because
masculado walk.
I was there during El
It's a
Salvador. Ang galing
masculado
niya.
walk.
No
Best
problem.
in swimsuit ko,
Yes, what's your basic principle?
Colombia.
Best in swimsuit
Yeah,
Colombia pa rin.
I agree.
With the body and everything.
I agree.
Pero medyo na-energyhan ako kay ano kanina, kay Puerto Rico.
Kung may
Pero-
maganda sana ng gown.
Puerto
si
Rico,
Colombia
best in
kanina.
performance at the
Top
national
one pa sila.
costume.
Oo. Pero overall performance, lumaban si Atisa.
So the next question now is your top 3.
In Asia, my top 3 is Philippines, Thailand, and China. Period.
si India wala.
Huh?
India.
I forgot. The red in the opening, red now. I forgot about it.
I think it's about time for China to be in.
Bangladesh, very good. The white, I would just like remove the necklace because it was like over with the necklace because she has already very big earrings.
Ikaw ba nagturo kay Sri Lanka na yun ang gown niya?
It was
May
last minute.
pa-reveal?
It was last minute change last night too. It was
Do you
from
think-
Vietnam.
Do you think the top 30 will be dominated by the Latinas?
I think so.
Latina is very good at swimsuit.
No, the Latinas in
Yeah,
general.
but just want to say, Miss Latina, very good in swimsuit, very good in gown. I'm so sad that she outshined Miss Mexico.
Sino?
Latina, they're next to each other.
Oo, mali.
Oo nga.
I love Fatima, the gold, but Latina is serving
Everything.
Everything. I love
Yeah.
Latina.
the C group. The C
Lahat
group
is
is so strong.
Okay.
Curacao.
Top-
Haiti, I love Haiti by the way. Haiti's
Wild
gown
card
as
naman.
well.
Sino ang mga feeling yung papasok sa top 30 na parang ang feeling ng iba hindi dapat pumasok?
Based on performance,
And everything.
napapasok.
Oo.
Based on the performance, the
Deserve ni Malta performer si Bala.
Miss Nepal.
In fairness.
Hi, can you
Are
say
you
hi?
here?
You're here?
No,
The
it's
girls
just
are
a ghost. It's just a body.
The
Of
girls
course
are
she's
here?
Everyone is here.
Sa likod ata.
Thank you.
Go back
Congratulations.
down there?
From ground floor. Going up.
There or there?
There.
Oh, there down.
Bakit gusto mo pa? Pagod na yung mga babae.
Bakit? Kailangan ko lang settings for 24 hours.
O, sige, go. Ilaban mo yan.
Dinaalam mo na sa MUPH. Dinaalam mo na si Atisa sa MUPH.
Why will I?
It's just an ambush and take.
Correct.
So, ano pa?
Malta lang.
I think Malta, Haiti. I want Haiti also. She's like the dark horse.
For me, it's Argentina, Panama, and
Actually, Paraguay. Paraguay ba o Uruguay ang ano kanina sa national
Maganda yung
costume?
natcos ni Paraguay.
Paraguay nga. Paraguay ang magandang natcos. Sino pa? Sa Asia, I want to... My sister, Vietnam.
No, the gown of Vietnam. I'm sorry.
No, top 30. I mean, of course, dapat top 30.
She may not be in the top 30. There are other girls who perform.
Ay.
No,
For
the
the-
national costume
for
with the
the
bicycle,
inclusivity.
underwhelming. I was
Akala.
expecting a lot. The gown, underwhelming. Swimsuit, meh.
Me,
So-
what is me?
Meh. I'm like a
Alam.
goat. Meh.
Alam mo, bash tayo ito ng ares. ng Miss Vietnam
You
chick.
want us to be honest, right? So I'm just being honest.
that's good.
Okay.
But I hope she can make it.
Yeah, I definitely believe that she should be. She should be
But based
part of
on
the
merits
top 30.
from today,
Pero parang ang sikip ng top 30, no?
Parang ako yun.
Parang ikaw nga din yon. Parang hindi na ako yon.
Parang hindi si Adam, parang hindi si Ampam at si Ono, ako yon.
Ikaw yon. Dahil ako, hindi na ako masikipar.
Uy, si Australia maganda ha.
Yeah, she's pretty.
Sin-
It's not the
Si
question to
Brazil,
ask.
hindi nyo pinapansin si Brazil.
Oo nga no, hindi natin napapansin si Brazil.
She will be in the top 30.
I'll check on that.
Si Argentina, laban na laban si Argentina kanina,
Yeah, I like
sa
her.
lalo na sa
Argentina and Chile, actually.
I
And
think
swimsuit, actually.
Angola first before Argentina.
Angola?
Ha?
Parang hindi ko siya
Oo, sa
napansin.
beauty, oh.
Because you're not
Ay, Lebanon, ang ganda din ni Lebanon.
Because some of them they're not watching, they're posting. They're not really watching. So
Si Lebanon,
I
ang
don't
ganda.
think what they're saying is accurate. If you're not watching their performance there, and if you're only watching the countries with such factors, then you know, right?
It's a different story.
It's a different story. Ganun ang talak. So ano pa? El Tucuyo. Hush.
Oy,
Oh
grabe
my
ka,
gosh.
may El Ticuyo ka na kaagad.
Wala lang naman.
No,
Balay
I just
mo,
wanna know your
feeling nyo
best
lang.
in national costume. Who do you think will win the best in national costume? This one.
Puerto
Kaso-
Rico.
Oo
Puerto
nga.
Rico, but it's voting. So the one who
Oh, it's
Oh, malakas
voting?
din naman Puerto
Yeah.
Oh, voting.
Oh.
Kaya parang ati sa Manalo pa rin ang
Britain is
voting.
here. Hello.
Adam Pabaro naman ang
Love the
ilaw.
performance in the Natcas.
Ha?
Ilaw.
Ayan, ayan, ayan.
Ito.
No, yung flashlight.
Ayan nga, ayan.
Dapat pala nag-live na lang ako.